Peak Power Plus technology combines the power of up to 6 EGO 56V ARC Lithium batteries. Holds up to 6 batteries for maximum runtime, 4 included. Power of gas with 22 HP equivalent engine. Cuts up to 2 acres on a single charge, with the included 456V10 all ARC Lithium batteries. World's first platform-compatible rider, powered by all EGO 56V ARC Lithium batteries. 37 mph speed, up to 8 mph in travel mode. Customize the ride with user interface for ultimate control. The EGO Power Plus 42 Z6 zero-turn riding mower is a ZTR like nothing else out there. Featuring Peak Power Plus technology, it can hold up to 6 EGO 56V ARC Lithium batteries, the same battery technology powering all EGO products, making it the world's first platform-compatible rider. Delivering 22 horsepower, equivalent to a gas engine, and reaching a top speed of 8 mph, the Z6 covers up to 2 acres on a single charge. The 4 independent brushless motors deliver the power and performance of gas, with an adjustable seat suspension for a comfortable mowing experience.